Hi everyone, it's Mike Fenwick here again from Red Shark Digital. In this video, we're continuing our series on accessibility principles by talking about the importance of supporting keyboard navigation. Keyboard navigation is an essential accessibility feature that allows people to use a website or app without a mouse or other pointing device. This is especially important for people with mobility impairments or other disabilities that make it difficult to use a mouse. One way to test for keyboard accessibility is to use the tab key on your keyboard to navigate through interactive elements on a web page, such as links, buttons, or input fields. The focus state that we discussed in a previous video provides a visual indicator of the component that is currently selected. It's important to make sure that the order of interactive elements is logical and intuitive, and that the tab order follows the visual flow of the page. This means starting with the header, main navigation, content buttons and inputs, and finally the footer. A good practice is to test your site only using a keyboard. Use the tab key to move through links and forms, and test using the enter key to select an element. Make sure that all interactive components are predictable and in order. And if you can navigate through all of your site without a mouse, you're in a good spot. Finally, be mindful of the size of your navigation, including the number of links and the length of the text. Tabbing through long menus can be challenging for people with motor disabilities, and listening to lengthy links can be cumbersome for people who use screen readers. Try to be concise, and consider using ARIA landmarks or HTML5 structure elements, like the main or nav tags, to help with navigation. That's it for this video on supporting keyboard navigation. We hope that you've learned some useful tips and techniques for making your website or app more accessible to people who rely only on a keyboard to navigate. Remember to test your site using only a keyboard to ensure that all interactive elements are easy to access and use.